What if you need to create a book mockup but don't want to hire a designer or learn Photoshop? Not a problem at all. In this video, I am going to show you 2 ways how to create book mockups like these in Canva. Let's start with the first option. First, sign up for a Canva account using your Facebook or Google profile. Simply follow the link below my video to get Canva Pro and use it for free for the next 30 days. Then start creating your design. If you know the exact dimensions you want, select Custom and insert your own dimensions. But today, let's assume that I need to create a Facebook ad for my book. Since I don't know the exact dimensions, I'll just search for an appropriate template. I can use either one of these templates or start from the scratch. Now click Uploads in the navigation bar and upload your book cover file. It must be JPG or PNG file. Next, to create your book mockup, click on Photos from the left-hand side menu and search for book mockup in the search bar. Since I am using Canva Pro, I have access to a huge variety of photos, illustrations and templates to use in my designs for free. Choose an image like this. If you don't have Canva Pro, you will need to find a similar image like this in any other resource. Drag the picture into your template and position it where you like. Then click on it to place it on your book cover. Resize it like this to create a sense of a tangible book. As the final step, add titles, call to action, and other marketing elements. Let's assume you want to encourage people to download your book on Amazon. Go to Google Images and search for something like Buy on Amazon. Go to the Tools section and in the color settings choose Transparent to get images with a transparent background. You will have a list of pictures like this. Choose the one you like and save it to your computer. Now return to Canva and upload it here. Then place any elements you like in your design. Add your titles and text. Let's say something like this, free promotion. That ends in 5 days. When satisfied with the result, download your file. As a Canva Pro user, I can get the best quality image and increase its size if necessary. And that's the result. Okay, that was the first way to create a book mockup in Canva. Now I'm going to show you one more, much quicker way. If you have the Canva Pro account, a cool thing that you can do is just upload your book cover to Canva and open it in the editor. Then go to the Effects section and search for book mockups. Choose the one you like and click on it. Canva will automatically generate a 3D picture like this. Change the background color and add your texts to personalize it. And that's it. Canva is full of other cool features as well. Follow the link below my video to get a 30-day free trial of Canva Pro and start using it right now. To see more videos with useful tips on how to easily create beautiful visuals and be more productive, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I post videos every week about free tools for creating visuals and increasing your productivity on the internet and social media. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Anita Nipan from Dignet.com. I hope to see you next time.